Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on scanners and screeners. In this video, again, I'm just going to create a one more scanner, which we have recently created the reversal the first candle Camarilla R4 breakout along with RSI and an average volume. So that was a scanner which we have made it recently, but there is no stocks by yesterday, day before yesterday, and yesterday we have today we have two stocks. One is an Eicher motor based on the pattern, which forms such a level RSI above 55, and it should be greater than the Camarilla R4. But we can keep as a pivot as a stop loss. But in this case, it is a huge from the R4 level. It is gap up about to the R4 level. So we are not considering this one as a valid trade. And the second one, which we find out is a national aluminum. So that is also not a valid trade today. It was started above to the R4 level, but the first candle is a red and it never breaks the R4 high, that candle high. So that is not a valid trade. So the only two stocks yesterday, no stocks. That condition which you have created on previous scanner for a bullish, that was an R4 level breakout, the Camarilla R4 level on first candle 15 minutes, and another conditions, it should be 1.5 times average volume and RSI above 55, and these are all the condition, and it is should be greater than the pivot. So this four condition we created the scanner, and today we are finding two stocks that is not valid one, and the reversal of the scanner. So for a selling opportunity, because continuously market is keep on moving lower, today's looks like a range bond, but the scanner will work for an intraday trade, the first 15 minutes candle, which we are going to create the scanner. But here, instead of R4 level, I'm just going to find out a support level, that is in Camarilla S4 level. So let me try to create the scanner, charting here, and create a scanner. And I'm just going to make this in a future category. So if you want to change any category, you can change it here. And 15 minutes close. That means I'm just making a 15 minutes intraday. Close must be less than the Camarilla support form. So if this is a custom indicator which you have already created, and if you are searching for a normal Camarilla support or resistance, that is not available in charting. So we need to manually create the custom indicator. Then we can find out. So we have today, so like around the 7 stocks is less than support 4 on Camarilla. So this is what a first candle, something like that. Cipla and Sri Cement, that is the first candle. Okay, below to the support. So that already we created, and we are just going to try for the trending momentum. So, and I'm just also using the volume. So the volume of that for first 15 minutes candle, that should be greater than the average volume. So that is what very important here, the conditions. So it must be greater than, because volume always be a greater than. So average volume. Average volume is one of the custom indicator which I used here. So 15 minutes, that should be a first candle. So we should use the first one, and let me try for a first candle. And then RSI. Okay, so let me RSI also we are going to focus. Just copy the scanner and let me change RSI 15 minutes, sorry, RSI, and it must be greater than, here it should be number, right? So we should remove on all, right? So greater than number 55. Okay, sometimes mostly if the down market we will see the RSI below 50, but in this case we will check and then we can modify that. Okay, and same like that, it should be greater than, let me copy same one. So this one we can copy, and here that high must be less than. Okay, so we are looking for it less than the pivot level. So it is about the scanner. We use one day ago pivot point. So pivot point also we have created a customized indicator, so that we are going to use it. Okay. So this is what a condition which we have created recently on previous video, opposite to buy, and this is what a for a sell. Maybe let me save the scan. the name of test. Sorry. Save this scan. Okay, so let me check any stocks. I think there is no stocks because of this RSI condition. So RSI must be less than 45. Let me change this. Uh, if we are checking this, it may be giving some stocks. And look at this. We got an opportunities. Okay, so today we have almost four stocks like Street MP and Power Grid, Dalmia Bharat. So Power Grid, and what is happening here? In the first candle, the low is not broken, and the PI Industries, that is also be the first candle is less than the R4 level, and even better things which you can see, support for below it is support for, and Power Grid, Dalmia Bharat. This one, it looks like a failure one. So because it broken the low and it is closed, but it is stop loss not triggered because the pivot has a stop loss which you are keeping. And this one is not a right one. So which you are looking for. Okay, that's right. And let me check the back test result will it is works for us. Here some stock like only one stock IGL 1211 IGL, which is opposite to the same scanner 1211. So this is what one, and it broken and it works well on this particular day. And previously here is many stocks Lara Slab PEL and 1111. So PEL, this is what a day, and it was a stop one. And Lara Slab, the stop is not triggered. In this case, pivot as a stop, but it was not moving. But after that, it is moving lower. So that okay. And Tata came, sorry, Tata came. That was 1111. So maybe it is not broken the low. And this way we can create the opposite scanner. But I think buying is working perfect in comparing to the selling. But we may be using that alternate scanner for that one. And also we can create a even better scanner in the Camarilla S4 breakout. But I think any changes we can made it in this. This should be I should be less than, that's okay. RSI should be, or instead of that less than 50. Maybe we'll be getting more stock. Same, yeah, same. Even we don't get any more stocks here, so that's not an issue. Camarilla support for latest 15 minutes close less than the. This is what an exact opposite to the scanner, and you can back test it. And if you have any, sorry, here average volume that we missed it. Okay, number 1.5. Okay, this is a normal one. So let me run the scan, and we have a PA Industries only today. So that is the mistake which we made it. AI Industries, and maybe it is not work, that entry is not triggered, something like that. And any other stocks from this list? Yeah, very few number of stocks. And LTF on 1311. Let me go for LTF 1311. And this is water shaker, and it is moving well. That's okay. And previously we are looking for only few stocks of the Asian Paint, Berger Paint, like that. Berger Paint. This would be the day, but the low is not broken. Asian Paint. I think that looks good. No, that works after breaks. That the high is not broken. Still, it is in the lower level only. Okay, I think that scanner is working right now, so no issues on this. And you can just look for the scanner also. Thank you for watching. And if you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. Any questions or a doubt, just ping me on the WhatsApp. Thank you. We'll show on this video. Thank you.